Hello everyone. So now today we'll be seeing a deep day at the Department of Cardiology. This is the waiting room of the cardiology department where the patients are waiting. This is the nurse duty room, ECG room, echocardiography room. This is the general ward of the cardiology department where the patients of heart failure, heart attack and different heart patients, they are staying here for the different tests and different procedures and different treatments. So this is the ECG. The first test that we do in the cardiac patient is ECG. This is the treadmill test. We are seeing the treadmill now. So this is a patient who has complained chest pain while doing exercise. So we are doing this exercise induced ECG changes where the patient will do some sort of exercises and we will see the ECG changes via the monitor. There will be some sort of inclination. So this is called a treadmill test, and if any abnormality found in the treadmill test in the front we see that the ECG, we have to go for other tests like echo or angio. So this is the ECG monitoring, continuous ECG monitoring taking place. You can see guys, yes, this is the angio cath lab where the angiography, angioplasty takes place. Angiography, angioplasty, also the pacemaker implantation takes place in this room. So guys, now this device is the echocardiography device where the patient is having any type of heart disease like heart failure, heart attack or any heart conditions can be diagnosed by this echocardiography. This is a probe and this is a monitor. We move it over the heart, we can know any type of disease is there or not. Many patients come here every day for their echocardiography to this department. This is the cath lab where the angiography, angioplasty and also the pacemaker implantation take place. These are the different instruments that are being kept over here to see this. And while we're doing these devices, we use a CT scan, that is X-ray. So there are different radiation that is being produced. To prevent this radiation, we can see this is the between by left side. We're using this black color type of apron that is called a lead apron, which is used to prevent this radiation. So this is the patient came with the chest pain. The patient is now getting ready by the trained staff nurse where we are making ready this patient for this angiography. This is the pump. This is the angioplasty pump being ready. In the front one, that is the white color. That is the CT scan device. By the you can see now. Yes, they have introduced the catheter inside this heart, and we are pumping the syringe. That right side you can see in the monitor. That is the device inside this heart. And we are seeing any type of clot or thrombus is there inside the heart. We can remove it by the help of angioplasty. And this is the pump. You can see this the left side is the pump, and all the trained nurses. These are the devices we are using for removing the clot and also to know the site of occlusion. And the patients get cured from this thrombus and then they go out of this department very happily. Now this is the angio pump being ready. Patient is now all set. Chest pain patient, in like 2-3 hours the patient will be relieved his chest pain and will be moving out. He'll be discharged happily with all his cure of the chest pain. This is all inside. This is also me inside the Department of Cardiology. So I was posted for this great Department of Cardiology. Now this is device taking place under the fluoroscopy guidance, on the CT scan guidance, and that side, that is the monitor. We see in this monitor what are the changes taking place inside the heart. These are the devices we are using, and this is the probe. The right side, yes, that the monitor. Yes, I will coming inside the monitor. That is the probe. You can see this is moving. This is the wire moving inside the heart. We are going to the heart now. We'll be pumping the heart and we'll be making the patient free of this heart attack. So it's a great day inside the Department of Cardiology. All the heart attack patients, they cured in like 10-15 minutes by this technology, by this department, by our seniors, by our teachers. They take the utmost care of the patients. You can see guys, this is the probe. I'm moving, is moving the probe, and this is a CT scan that is moving, that is taking a 180 turn to see that the place where the device is placed, that right side, that's the right one, that is defibrillator. So any uneventful phenomena occurs during the procedure, we can use the defibrillator to save the life. Every day hundreds of patients' life is being saved in this Department of Cardiology, which is a great department in our MKCG, the department college. So these are our teachers who are pursuing the procedures. The patient is now getting cured. This is the monitor where you see all the thrombus, what the artery that is occluded. This is the CD that we give to the patients also. This is standing being done. This is the cardiology ICU. Yes, any patient gets sick in the ward, he is shifted to this cardiology ICU where there are trained doctors, trained staff nurses. The patient is to being cared for the 24 hours a day in the Department of Cardiology, which is a great department, guys. Bye bye. Have a great day and thanks for watching the video at Department of Cardiology, MKCG. Thank you.